The number of cases of the coronavirus in Maryland continues to climb. Only 2 people have died within the last 24 hours, and the number of people hospitalized remains flat at 407. And as cases continue to rise, here's a question for you. How exactly are you wearing your mask? Does it cover just your mouth or your mouth and your nose? WJZ is live tonight. Avajoy Burnett has new research from Johns Hopkins University showing just how important it is to make sure both your mouth and nose are covered by that mask. Avajoy.
Hey, Rick. Well, experts have long said it's very important for you to wear a mask. When you're doing so, though, you should have your mouth and your nose covered. Anything other than that, you could be exposing yourself to the virus or spreading it to somebody else. Now that masks are second nature for so many people, researchers at Johns Hopkins Medicine are stressing the importance of wearing them the correct way.
Making sure that you wear the mask properly, that you're not breathing air out of your nose and into the world. That might infect another person.
The team at Johns Hopkins believes COVID-19 is latching on to certain cells in the nose at an alarming rate, up to 700 times more than in other cells, making cells in the nose the key entry point for COVID-19.
So there's a lot of reason to think that the nose is the place where the virus, if not comes in, stays there for a while. And that's the reason why to prevent other people from getting the virus from you if you had it, it's important to wear the mask over your nose and not just your mouth.
WJZ spoke with people about wearing masks.
People don't cut when they wear masks. They usually put it over their mouths, and they keep the nose makes the air coming out of the nose is hot, so they don't want to do that.
I just teach my kids and my family, it's best to wear a mask.
I ride public transportation, and in public transportation, you will see people not wearing, even though they're supposed to. So they either are not wearing a mask or they are not wearing it properly.
The Johns Hopkins study could lead to more targeted treatments that could conquer COVID-19. But until that day comes, people are sticking to some simple rules.
Until it's over, until it's gone, I'm going to practice social distancing and wearing a mask.
And researchers believe because your nose is such a fertile ground for the virus to latch on, they believe that may explain why many people are losing their sense of smell when they get COVID-19. Live at 5, Avajoy Burnett for WJZ.
Avajoy, thank you. Meantime, if you need a mask, another mask giveaway is happening this week in Clinton. It starts tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock at the D. Leonard Dyer Health Center, and this will continue until supplies last. Now, the event is part of the Department of Health's Mask on Maryland campaign.
Well, a warning for parents and students in Baltimore City: you can no longer just show up at device giveaways. Instead, schools will now notify you by phone or email the date and time that you can pick up your laptop or Wi-Fi hotspot. You are urged not to go to schools before getting a specific pickup time. When you do go pick up your items, you need to wear a mask, of course, and bring your student ID.